In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to instruct ChatGPT to create multiple choice questions, which can be an incredibly useful tool for educators, trainers, or anyone needing to generate test questions efficiently. Let's dive right into it and walk through this process together step by step. First, let's start by opening up your preferred web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you feel comfortable using. In the address bar, type in Google and press Enter. Once the Google homepage is in front of you, place your cursor in the search bar and type ChatGPT. Hit Enter, and you'll be presented with a list of search results. Look for the official ChatGPT website link, usually found among the top results, and give it a click to open the site. Now that we're on the ChatGPT platform, it's time to move on to the next step. In the input field provided on the ChatGPT website, it's important to be clear and specific with your prompt. For instance, if you're teaching a 10th grade biology class and want to create some questions, you might type something like, "Create 10th grade biology multiple choice questions based on the given topic." The more detailed your prompt, the better ChatGPT can tailor the questions to your needs. After crafting your prompt, the next step is straightforward. Find the Submit, Send, or Enter button on the interface. This step sends your request for processing. You may notice after a short moment that ChatGPT begins to generate the questions for you. This is a good time to review the output and see if the questions align with your expectations. If you're satisfied with the questions that ChatGPT has generated, but you want a more print-friendly version, such as a PDF, you can easily do so. Simply return to the input field and enter another command. This time, you could type something like, "Generate a PDF file to download." Following the same submission process, press the Submit button again. ChatGPT will then process your request accordingly. Once this is done, you should be provided with a download link or instructions on how to save the questions in PDF format, depending on the capabilities of the platform you're using. This step is incredibly convenient for offline review or printing hard copies for classroom use. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to create multiple choice questions using ChatGPT. These steps are designed to help you navigate the process smoothly, ensuring you have the resources you need at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any further questions or need clarification, feel free to reach out. Happy teaching!